Hello, English learners! Welcome to the Easy English Speaking Podcast, where you listen daily and speak confidently. How do you talk about someone's hair?
And how do you describe someone's height?
What about describing personality?
And how do you say someone is friendly?
What words describe appearance politely?
And how do you compare two people?
Let's learn these useful descriptions today. My name is Jennifer.
And I'm John.
How are you doing today, John?
Really good, thanks. How are you?
I'm wonderful. I'm really excited about today's topic.
Me too. This is super practical.
So, John, what are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about describing people.
Oh, this is so important. Everyone needs to know this.
Absolutely. We describe people all the time.
That's right. And today's lesson will help you talk about appearance and personality.
Yes, you'll learn how to describe what people look like and how they act.
So if you want to describe your friends and family in English, this lesson is perfect for you.
That sounds great. But before we start, please subscribe to the Easy English Speaking Podcast channel and click the bell icon to get more English speaking practice videos so you never miss a lesson.
Hit the like button to support us. It really motivates us to create more videos for you. Okay, John, let's start with describing height.
Yes, height is one of the first things we notice.
Right. What are the basic height words?
We use tall, short, and average height.
Perfect. Can you give examples?
Sure, he's tall or she's short.
What about average height?
You can say he's average height or she's not too tall or short.
Good. How do you ask someone's height?
You can ask, how tall is he? Or is she tall?
Let's practice describing height.
Okay, describe me.
Well, you're pretty tall.
Yes, I'm about 6 feet tall.
That's tall. Now you describe me.
Your average height, I'd say.
Yes, I'm about 5'5".
Perfect height.
Thank you. Now let's talk about build.
Oh, what's build?
Build is body type, slim, athletic, or heavy.
Right, how someone's body looks.
Exactly. What are polite words?
We say slim, thin, or slender for thin people.
And for muscular people?
Athletic, fit, or strong.
What about heavier people?
Be careful here. Say heavy or big.
Right. Never use rude words.
Exactly. Always be respectful.
Let's practice polite descriptions.
Okay. Describe an athlete.
He's tall and athletic. He looks very strong.
Perfect. Very polite.
Now you try.
She's slim and average height. She looks fit.
Approving. Great. Very respectful description.
Thanks. Now let's talk about hair.
Yes, hair is important for descriptions.
Right. We describe length, color, and style.
Exactly. What about length?
Long, short, or medium length.
And style?
Thinking, straight, curly, or wavy.
What about color?
Answering, black, brown, blonde, red, or gray.
Perfect. How do we put it together?
Explaining. Say, she has long blonde hair.
Or, he has short black hair.
Exactly. Let's practice.
Okay. Describe my hair.
Observing. You have long brown hair. It's straight.
Yes, very good. Now I'll describe yours.
Go ahead.
Describing. You have short dark hair.
Exactly right.
Now let's practice a longer description.
Excited. Good idea. Imagine we're describing someone.
Okay, I'll describe my sister.
Great.
Describing. My sister has long, curly brown hair.
Oh, curly hair.
Yes, and she's tall and slim.
Understanding. Nice, complete description.
Now you describe your brother.
Thinking. Okay, my brother has short black hair.
Uh-huh.
Continuing. He's average height and athletic.
Perfect. Very clear picture.
Thanks. Now let's talk about eyes.
Exciting! Yes, eye color and size.
What colors do we use?
Listing: blue, green, brown, or hazel.
What's hazel?
Explaining: it's a mix of brown and green.
Oh, interesting color.
Yes. How do we describe eye size?
Thinking. Big eyes or small eyes?
Right. Let's practice.
Okay. What color are your eyes?
Answering: I have brown eyes.
And mine?
Observing: you have blue eyes.
Correct.
Let's practice full face descriptions.
Happy. Good idea. I'll describe someone.
Go ahead.
Describing. She has long blonde hair and blue eyes.
Nice. Anything else?
She has a round face and she's pretty.
Great description. Now I'll try.
Okay,
I think he has short, curly black hair and brown eyes.
good start.
He has a friendly smile.
Perfect. Very complete.
Now let's talk about age descriptions.
Oh, how do we describe age politely?
We use young, middle-aged, or elderly.
What's middle-aged?
About 40 to 60 years old.
Ah, and elderly?
Over 65 usually.
Got it. What about young?
Under 30 usually.
How do we use these words?
Say, she's a young woman, or he's elderly.
Perfect. Let's practice.
Okay, describe a teacher you know.
My teacher is middle-aged. She's about 50.
Good, very polite.
Now you describe someone.
My neighbor is elderly. He's about 70.
Nice. Very respectful.
So we've talked about height, build, hair, eyes, and age.
Right. Now let's talk about personality.
Yes, this describes how people act.
Right. What are common personality words?
Friendly, shy, outgoing, or serious.
What does outgoing mean?
It means very social, likes meeting people.
Oh, the opposite of shy.
Exactly right.
What other words describe personality?
Kind, funny, energetic, or quiet.
How do we use these?
Say, he's very friendly, or she's really funny.
Perfect. Let's practice.
Okay, describe your best friend's personality.
My best friend is very outgoing and funny.
Oh, sounds fun.
Yes, he makes everyone happy.
Great description. Now I'll describe mine.
Go ahead.
My best friend is kind and friendly.
Lovely. What else?
She's also very energetic.
Wonderful. Complete personality description.
Now let's practice combining appearance and personality.
Great idea. This is realistic.
Right, we describe both together.
Let's do a role play.
Okay, you ask me about my cousin.
What does your cousin look like?
She has long red hair and green eyes.
Oh, red hair is beautiful.
Yes, she's tall and slim too.
What's she like? Her personality?
She's very outgoing and funny.
She sounds great.
She is. Now you describe someone.
Okay. Ask me about my dad.
What does your dad look like?
He has short gray hair and brown eyes.
Uh-huh.
He's tall and strong looking.
Nice. What's his personality?
He's very kind and serious.
Ah, A serious but kind person.
Exactly.
Perfect role play.
Yes, very natural conversation.
Now, let's talk about making comparisons.
Oh, comparing two people?
Yes, we use taller than or as tall as.
Can you give examples?
Say, he's taller than me, or she's as tall as her sister.
Ah, I see.
We can compare anything.
Like hair, age, personality?
Exactly. All of it.
How do we compare personality?
Say, he's friendlier than his brother.
Or she's as funny as her mom?
Perfect. Let's practice comparisons.
Okay, compare yourself.
I'm taller than my sister.
Really?
Yes, she's shorter than me.
Now I'll compare.
Go ahead.
I'm as tall as my dad.
Oh, same height.
Exactly, 6 feet.
Let's compare personalities now.
Good idea.
My sister is more outgoing than me.
She's more social?
Yes, I'm quieter.
I see. Now me.
Compare yourself.
I'm friendlier than my brother.
Really?
Yes, he's very shy.
Ah, you're more outgoing.
Exactly.
Great comparisons.
Now let's talk about what not to say.
Yes, this is very important.
We need to be polite and respectful.
Absolutely. What should we avoid?
Don't say fat or ugly.
Right. Very rude words.
What should we say instead?
Say heavy instead of fat.
Yes, much more polite.
Don't comment too much about weight.
Right, it's too personal.
What else should we avoid?
Don't say someone looks old.
Right, just say middle-aged or elderly.
Always be respectful.
Exactly. Kindness is important.
Oh, we have a question from a listener.
Great! Who is it?
It's from Anna in Brazil.
Wonderful. What does she ask?
She asks, how do I describe someone who wears glasses?
Oh, that's a great question, Anna.
You can say, he wears glasses, or she has glasses.
Yes, very simple.
Or he has brown eyes and wears glasses.
Perfect. Thanks for the question, Anna.
Yes, great question.
Now, let's practice describing famous people.
Fun idea. This is good practice.
Right. Everyone knows celebrities.
Let's describe a famous actor.
Okay, I'll describe someone.
Go ahead.
He has short dark hair and brown eyes.
Uh-huh.
He's tall and athletic.
Sounds handsome.
He's very famous and charming.
Is it a superhero actor?
Maybe.
Fun game. Now I'll describe someone.
Okay.
He has long blonde hair and blue eyes.
Uh-huh.
He's tall and beautiful.
A model?
Could be.
Good description.
Now let's practice describing people in different situations.
Great idea. Real-life situations.
Let's imagine you're meeting someone's family.
Okay, you introduce me.
Jennifer, this is my mom.
Nice to meet you.
To you, Jennifer, what do you think of her?
She has beautiful curly hair.
Thank you.
And she's very kind.
That's sweet. See? Polite compliments.
Yes, very respectful.
Now another situation.
Okay, you lost your friend in a store.
Oh no.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for my friend.
What does she look like?
She has long black hair and brown eyes.
Okay.
She's wearing a red jacket.
Ah, I saw her near the entrance.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Perfect. Very practical situation.
Yes, describing someone to find them.
Now let's do a police report situation.
Good example. Very important.
You're reporting a missing person.
Okay.
Please describe the missing person.
He's about 6 feet tall.
Tall? What else?
He has short brown hair and blue eyes.
Got it.
He's wearing a blue shirt and jeans.
Perfect. We'll look for him.
Thank you.
Great. Very clear and detailed.
Yes, details help in emergencies.
Now let's practice describing friends.
Okay, tell me about your best friend.
My best friend has long, straight hair.
What color?
Dark brown, almost black.
Nice. What else?
She's average height with brown eyes.
What's her personality?
She's very funny and outgoing.
She sounds wonderful.
She is. Now you describe your best friend.
Okay, my best friend is tall.
Yeah?
He has short, curly hair, and he's very athletic.
Does he play sports?
Yes, basketball.
Ah, that's why he's tall and athletic.
Exactly.
What's his personality?
He's very friendly and energetic.
Great. Complete description.
Thanks. Now, let's practice describing family members.
Good idea. Very common topic.
Ask me about my sister.
What does your sister look like?
She has medium-length blonde hair.
Blonde. Pretty.
Yes, and green eyes.
Oh, green eyes are rare.
I know, very unique.
What's she like?
She's kind and shy.
Ah, a quiet person.
Yes, very gentle.
Lovely description. Now ask me about my brother.
What does your brother look like?
He's tall with short dark hair.
Uh-huh.
He has brown eyes like me.
Same eyes.
Yes, family resemblance.
What's his personality?
He's serious, but very kind.
Ah, quiet and thoughtful.
Exactly right.
Perfect. Let's review everything we learned today.
Good idea. We covered so much.
First, we talked about describing height.
Right. Tall, short, and average height.
Then, build and body type.
Yes, slim, athletic, and strong.
We learned about hair descriptions.
Length, color, and style.
And eye color.
Blue, brown, green, and hazel. We covered age descriptions.
Young, middle-aged, and elderly.
Then personality traits.
Friendly, shy, outgoing, funny, and kind.
We practiced making comparisons.
Taller than and as tall as.
We learned what not to say.
Always be polite and respectful.
And we practiced real situations.
Meeting family, finding lost friends, police reports.
Very complete lesson.
Absolutely.
We have a quick question for our English learners. How would you describe your best friend? Tell us below. And thank you so much for joining us today.
Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. We hope you found this lesson helpful and learned something new.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Easy English Speaking podcast channel for more English learning videos. And click the notification bell icon so you never miss a new lesson.
Also, leave a comment below and tell us, what description topic should we teach next?
We'd love to hear from you. Your feedback helps us create better lessons for you.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to fluency.
Until next time, take care and happy learning. See you in the next video.